Welcome or welcome back to my channel. As you can see, my hair is in this dry puff, which can only mean one thing. It's wash day. I'm going to start my wash day by cleansing with the TGIN co-wash. First, I'm going to wet my hair and then I'm going to split my hair into sections. I took a generous amount of the co-wash and worked it into my hair and scalp in an effort to remove any dirt and product buildup. As you can see, the co-wash worked into a very gentle lather and it gave me some really great moisture and slip. Also, y'all, this co-wash smells so good. Nice, light, fresh scent. Let me know if you want a more thorough review on it in the comments. So once I finish applying the co-wash, I make sure I massage my scalp just to lift any dirt and debris. And then I'm going to go ahead and rinse. My hair felt so clean to the point where it kind of felt squeaky, which is why I went in with the Honey Miracle Mask. Once I applied the Honey Miracle Mask, I went ahead and pulled my hair back and threw on a plastic cap, and I sat with the DC on for about an hour and I did not apply any heat. The Honey Miracle Mask is an OG, so there's no need for me to even mention how soft my hair was or how bomb it smelled. So after I rinsed the DC, I did towel dry my hair. I then went in with the green tea leave-in, also from TGIN, to finger detangle and prep my hair for styling. So I braided my hair up so that it could stay detangled, and I let my hair dry down so that way I could style it on damp hair. That's about it for today's wash day. Make sure you like, share, comment, and subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.